Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on Klaviyo versus Bravo comparison. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. Let's start with Klaviyo. Klaviyo is a popular email marketing platform that offers a variety of features to meet different needs. It provides advanced segmentation options based on customer behavior, demographics, and more. Klaviyo also boasts robust automation workflows for triggered emails, abandoned cart reminders, and similar functions. The platform includes easy A/B testing for subject lines, content, and other email elements and integrates seamlessly with a wide range of e-commerce platforms, CRMs, and other tools. Detailed analytics on email performance, such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, are also available. Additionally, it provides a free plan with limited features along with a tiered pricing structure based on the number of contacts. Klaviyo is best suited for businesses with a large number of contacts and complex email marketing needs. Now let's look at Edrone. Edrone is also a popular email marketing platform, but it offers a different set of features. Its segmentation capabilities are basic, and it has limited automation options. A/B testing is available, but only at a basic level. Edrone has restricted integrations and offers only basic analytics. Additionally, Edrone offers a free plan with limited features and a tiered pricing structure based on the number of emails sent. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.